Hello everyone, we're back again with another balloon experiment, but this time it's going to be with vinegar. I don't know if you can, there you go. Vinegar and baking soda. So you are going to need a 3/4 of a cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of baking powder, another balloon, and then another bottle, preferably a bigger bottle so there's more space for the chemical reaction to occur and not go into the balloon itself. So you first, when you're doing this for the first time, you're going to want to get good at putting the balloon over the cap, over the opening of the bottle, because the reaction happens really fast. So if anything, probably have somebody with you to do it. You're going to want to do it quickly so it lines up, so it closes around nicely. You want the opening of this, like the tab itself, to be very centered on the bottle. You don't want it off to the side and stuff, so you want it to, so it fills up evenly as the reaction is happening. Okay, so first, we are going to take our vinegar and pour it in. Okay, pause. We have changed methods just because I don't want to spill vinegar everywhere in case. So probably do this over a sink or as this another bowl. So we're going to pour it in carefully. And it's in. Okay. So we're going to have our balloon ready, as this will happen pretty quickly. Put 2 fingers in here already. I'm going to take the baking soda and, oh, I did not go in at all. And there you go. Ooh. As you can see, there was a reaction where it all fizzed up. Realized I reached up here and all that. So now there's just gas that is going into the balloon itself, which is inflating it. So yeah. You can see it a lot faster than the yeast that we did a little bit ago. A lot more dramatic, if you will, in my opinion. But yeah, that was fine. Exhilarating, if you will. Just a bit. But yeah, bye!